Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Nasser here, and in this video we're going to go through common mistakes students make in histology. Now these are not knowledge problems, these are kind of approach problems, and if you fix how you look at a slide, your accuracy improves immediately. Now let's go through these key mistakes one by one. Mistake number 1. Jump into the answer too quickly. Now if you look at a slide and immediately try and name the organ, we often get it wrong. Instead, slow down and ask, what tissue type am I looking at? What features can I easily see? Always build your own answer step by step. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the cell shape. Many students skip the most obvious clue, which is cell shape. If the cells are flat, cube-shaped, tall, cell shape gives you an immediate direction. If you ignore it, it always makes the task harder than it needs to be. Mistake number 3. Not looking at the surface layer. When identifying epithelium, for example, the correct answer depends on the top layer. Students sometimes focus on the deeper layers instead. Always look at what's happening at the surface. It'll give you a good indication of how to move forward next. Mistake number 4. Confusing similar structures. Now some structures look alike on first glance. For example, blood vessels and ducts, nerve versus muscle. The mistake is not checking the key differences like the contents of the lumen or the organization of the fibers. And mistake number 5, not using a system. Many students look at slides randomly. Instead, use a consistent order. For example, color, tissue type, structure, landmarks, function. This keeps your thinking very organized. These mistakes usually happen because of rushing or memorization without understanding or not having a clear method. Histology is not about memorizing pictures, it's about recognizing patterns, and that's the key thing. Here is what you need to focus on. Don't rush to name the organ straight away. Start by identifying what you can clearly see. Use a cell shape and tissue organization as your first clues. Always check the surface layer when dealing with epithelium. Be careful of the structures that look similar, and actively look for features that separate these. Most importantly, follow a consistent step-by-step method every time you approach a slide. If your method is solid, your answers become much more reliable. So in summary, most mistakes in histology come from a poor approach rather than a lack of knowledge. If you fix the process, the results will improve. Once you apply a consistent method and focus on visual patterns, histology becomes far more manageable and much less overwhelming. If you've got any questions about this, please pop it in the comments below. Give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.